Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. Well, February was a month to forget. On the last trading day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 521 points. The S&P was down 30 and the NASDAQ was down 210. While the Dow eked out a gain of less than 0.5% for February, the S&P 500 had its worst month since last April. The NASDAQ has been down 6 times in the last 7 weeks and had its worst month since last March. Year to date, the Dow and the S&P are positive, but the NASDAQ is down 2.5%. Although there has been a lot of anxiety in the market about artificial intelligence, from productivity to data centers to software recently, the wheels came off last Wednesday after NVIDIA reported fourth quarter results that exceeded all expectations. Revenues of $68 billion were up 20% from the third quarter and up 72% from a year ago. Their full year revenue forecast is $215 billion, up 65%. The next day, the stock closed down 5.5% and wiped out $259 billion in market capitalization. It was the 7th largest market cap loss in history. What the heck is going on? It is called the AI scare trade, which is the indiscriminate selling of all things AI related. Early victims of the scare trade were Microsoft and Amazon because of their capital expenditures. The underlying concerns are a valuation bubble will be so successful many businesses will fail and many jobs will be eliminated. We are reminded of the iPhone 1 introduction by Steve Jobs in 2007. 2 years later, Apple's stock was down 30%. The reason was investors could not believe that the iPhone's 2009 revenue of $13 billion was sustainable. Well, now we have the iPhone 17 and revenues are over $200 billion. There are 42 million registered developers in the Apple ecosystem. These developers support nearly 2 million apps. The number of U.S. smartphone app developer businesses is over 5,600. Same thing for AI and NVIDIA. AI will transform our world probably beyond our imagination. There will be winners like NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. And there will be losers, particularly in repetitive and entry-level jobs, both white and blue collar. But just remember this, the global AI market size was estimated to be $370 billion last year. It is projected to be $2.4 trillion in 2032. Growing at a compound annual growth rate of 30%. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next month.